Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube. Thanks for subscribing. I'm teaching a lot of people British Indian restaurant cooking. I have given a lot of advice in the last few months and I hope it's helping people. So please feel free, drop me a comment. If there's anything you want me to answer that you're unsure of, drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to be cooking something a little bit different. So it's again east versus meets west. So we're making a tandoori trout. So we know trout's an English fish. We've tried the Bangladeshi fish and stuff, but they've got a lot of bones. So we've had to think, how are we going to make British fish which hasn't got a lot of bones or got one big bone that you can take off easily, or it's been filleted, and then we use our method of cooking to make these dishes. So tandoori trout, really popular, really healthy, really good for you. Obviously I use a tandoor because it's called tandoori trout. For you guys at home, the only way I can think that you guys can do this is put it in the oven and turn it around every so often, without having to buy a tandoor, and the size of a tandoor is too big. So it's really quick and easy to do this. So I've got a rainbow trout here. Now we've got our tikka marination sauce here. Now I have shown you how to make this. It's quite simple, quite quick, once you've got everything there. Down below my descriptions there will be a link to how to make this. It's quite simple, quite easy to make, and all we're doing is quite simply getting the marination and just putting it over the fish. Like you would do with chicken tikka, we're putting it on the fish. Now you can leave it for 24 hours to marinate, but it's not essential. We don't do that. We just kind of get the fish out and then we just marinate it and then cook it on order, really. But the tikka chicken, it needs that 24-hour marination. This doesn't. But it's up to you. Like I said, you can do. We've got the fish and it's quite a nice size, quite big. I think the tandoor will quite easily, because you can get in quite inside of it. I think it's quite easy for it to marinate quickly, whereas the chicken, it takes time for the marination to soak in. So we don't need it for tandoor. I think I've got plenty there, and I'm just marinating it with the tandoor sauce. Very good for you, high in omega-3, and it's tandoored as well. So it's, there's no it's not deep fried or it's been cooked in oil, nothing like that. So it's quite a popular dish. I like it. So I'm going to skewer the trout and put it in the tandoor and cook really beautifully. So it's skewered on now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get an onion, just so the fish doesn't fall out. It should rest against the onion. So as you can see, look, it's just balancing on the onion. Yeah, and then it's going to go in the tandoor. Just come out of the tandoor. Obviously we don't want to present it like this, so we've got our plate ready, made up. Normally we give it a bed of sagaloo with a sort of a dry side, and then we've got just some lemons cut in circles, and then what I've just done is just cut in circles and then cut half of it. Just put it in like that. Just put some lemon with it, a little bit of salad just to give it a colour, and a little bit of sprinkle of coriander all over that. My rice has just fell a bit, it wasn't a cup, but it's all good. So there we have it, tandoori trout.